press and hold in the red button. Out comes the blade.
Where's the button? There's no button. It's supposed to be right here. This is where we keep, well, it's down here. We keep pens and pencils and stuff in this little thing and drop it in, drop it out. So I'm thinking it's in here somewhere. Look at there. I need another tool to get it out of there because my hands are too big. And how to get this blade off. The spare blades, they're in here, got that. But this little button is supposed to be right here. This button's supposed to be right here. I'm gonna cram it in there, push the button in. All right. Maybe I put the button in backwards. Right. I put the button in backwards. So that came out. Now we get the new blade out of here. Got the new blade. The grooves go up. Actually, you know what? We don't need a new blade. We just need to turn that blade around. But instead of changing to a new blade, I'm just going to turn the blade around, press the button again, slide into place, and there you go. So I had that button backwards. But yeah, it's supposed to have a little button on that thing. The members bark, Westcott, box cutter. It's pretty handy. We use it a lot, but enough to dull the knife. But that's how I got it fixed. Is that stupid button fell out.